What's up, Adventure Labs? Welcome to today's video. If you don't know me, my name is Kevin. I'm one of the founders of this channel. And today I'm gonna take you guys with me on a solo paddleboarding mission. Yesterday I came out here with a couple friends. We were having way too much fun and I left my shirt and my flip-flops on the other side of the entire lake. It was already late by then, I was way too tired, so I figured I'd just leave it and hope that it's still here. I do have all my camera gear in my backpack, so that's really the only sketchy part. But we'll see if it's still there, and if it is, we're gonna go to the other side, do some cliff jumping, and have a little fun. Boom! So my flip-flops and my shirt were here. So now it's time to do some cliff jumping. Alright guys, that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next video. Overall, it's a super solid day. I found my flip-flops and my shirt. So stay tuned and we'll see you on the next video.